All right, so we went to the flea market again and ended up leaving with a crap ton of games. A lot of them we got for like $1 and $2,
Yeah.
especially the
all the Genesis games. They were the box ones are $2 a piece, and the loose ones are $1 a piece because they're all the sports games. He was trying to get rid of them. So.
Yeah, we can at least use them for cases if they're really that bad. And then we got a Wii. That's Monster Truck Mayhem. Oh, yeah, it looks like the Twisted Metal.
Super Street Fighter for $1.
Oh yeah, I know that was a score.
Yeah, it's like $10.
Yeah, Portal. What'd that cost you?
Portal like Lego? $2. Lego was $3. I just got this because I like Lego games and I like the movie. So I've been looking for it for a while.
These were $1.
Yeah.
And then our
we got these three and the PS1 game for $10.
Yeah, so it was what? 7 games for $10.
Yep.
And then we got Wally for $1.
Yeah.
How much was
$10?
$10. And then that one we got a good deal on the Wario Land, right?
Oh yeah, the Wario Land was I got for 20.
20. And what does it go for normally?
$30.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's a good price, and I've been wanting to play it for a while. So.
Awesome. So we'll be doing some Let's Plays on some of this somewhere. Probably not sports games, but
maybe. Super
that one looks cool. That one looks like it's a interesting game. Reminds me of Techno Bowl.
2020, back when that was the future.
Yeah, that was the past now. Anyways, hope you guys dig. You know, not a bad haul. What did we pay for the total?
Like $50 or so.
$50.
There's 21 games, so.
And 20 of that was this one cart.
Yeah.
So that's
30 of it was these 2 games.
Yeah, 30 was 2 carts, and then the rest was like $20.
Yeah.
So not bad at all. Hope you dig. Like and subscribe.